Hey guys, right here for Daybreak Investors. So this is what happened on the stock market today. So we're going to start with the VIX. VIX was definitely crushed today. And I'm introducing real quick two of the crossing moving average crossovers. One of the moving average crossovers we saw on the training yesterday. The 200 and the 50-day moving average, just so people that attended the training can solidify the concept, okay? So the VIX was absolutely crushed today. The VIX is, believe it or not, is finding support on the 50-day moving average, but is finding resistance on the 20-day moving average. This is quite interesting. So before going through other indexes, economic calendar, tomorrow is going to be a big volatile day. We're going to have core CPI. We're going to have initial jobless claims. And as I mentioned on a post today, we are seeing higher than expected prices. And this actually may contribute to a higher number on the core CPI tomorrow. So this is going to move the market, certainly maybe a big catalyst to the market tomorrow. And these events, they always cause a lot of volatility and fear on the market. So having said that, going back to SPY. So SPY, we have this situation that it found resistance on the 36 level. And I've been saying that for a few days. So SPY had this big jump on the price, right? So with the fear in the market, I'm not saying this may happen tomorrow, but this is one of the scenarios, not only me, but a lot of analysts are expecting. SPY may actually revisit again the support at the 430s level, okay? And I'm actually moving my stop loss here to 430, because if it happens, and the fear really sets in tomorrow, what may happen is that SPY may actually re-explore the 427, 428 level and may even go back to the 200-day moving average at 420s. So it's a good time to realize a profit. When I mentioned to buy SPY at 420 was a very, very favorable risk-reward level. We may actually see this playing out again, okay? But keep in mind that the bullish structure is still on. And eventually, even if a SPY goes back to 420, I expect to see a new bullish structure playing out again. And we may finally reach, by the end of the year, the 455 and 460 prices as we target in the beginning when we were playing SPY. So I'm not saying this is going to happen, folks, but keep in mind, at least if you're trading SPY, move your stop loss to the 430s. And then you can always, even if you reach the 430s, this is going to be a good buyback level, and this is going to form a nice demand level and new opportunities for SPY. So the triple Qs, actually very healthy. Today, the triple Qs was able to cross and break the resistance at 370. So this is quite good. Triple Qs also finding support on the 50-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. So this is quite awesome. This previous bearish trend will probably offer some resistance to the triple Qs. And so we're going to see what's going to happen. But we are still on with this short-term bullish trend. Although the candles are now so far away, we may pull back a little bit, but eventually I'm expecting the triple Qs to go back to the bullish structure after all this volatility ends. And keep in mind, guys, okay, on the weekly time frame, this is absolutely a bullish structure. And same thing goes for SPY. if you look at the monthly time frame, there is no doubt that the bullish structure is still quite healthy and is still on. So real quick, Dow Jones Industrial Average, finding resistance at the 200-day moving average, and also find resistance, look at that, to the 20-day moving average. IWM also finding resistance at the 20-day moving average. The dollar index is now under all the moving averages and form a doji here. So nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. It may go either way. The TNX found a support again at the 20-day moving average. So this is quite interesting. So remember, guys, there are plans. I got some plans tomorrow if the price action capitulates, because the market really doesn't care what I think. So I gave you one of the plans tomorrow to move your stop loss to a higher level, just in case the stock market capitulates. But eventually, I believe in the bullish structure. The bullish structure, I don't see any signs the bullish structure is gonna break at any time soon. You know, let me show again the weekly time frame. And we can also place, we can also put some play with inverse ETFs tomorrow. Inverse ETFs, they actually grow when the market is going down. So there are also some plays we can make tomorrow with inverse ETFs. So fasten your seat belts, because tomorrow is going to be all right. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy trades.